Hi everybody, welcome to yet another episode of Tech It Simple. I hope you all are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video which will be guiding you to download Viva application in your Android device. Viva is a free download application that allows people to make free calls, send text, photos and video messages to other Viber users. It works on both mobile and computer and can be used to connect with people from around the world. And to install Viva in your device, you have to make sure that you have good internet connection and get started by clicking on Google Play Store. Now tap on the search box and dive Viva into it. After finding the Viva application, tap on the green button that says Install. Well, installing may take some time if you have a poor internet connection, but keep some patience. Well guys, Viva application is successfully installed. Trust me, this process is among the easiest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel, comment down below for any feedbacks. I will soon be back with more tutorial videos. Till then, take care, bye bye.